Hello students, welcome back. In the last session we have discussed about website and web application. In today's session we will discuss about home page. Home page, as the home is a place where everyone is available. In case of a website, a home page is a place from where everything which is there in the website is accessible. So you can navigate to all the pages which are available on that website from a web page or home page. A home page, you can say it is of two different types, that is website home page or a browser home page. A website home page, it is different from the browser home page. So first we will discuss about a website home page. What is website home page? So let's start. A home page or a start page is the initial or main page of a website or a browser. So home page, it is also called as a start page or a main page sometimes. This is the main page of website or a browser. The initial page of a website is sometimes called main page as well. Initial page, the first page of a website, it is sometimes called as a main page. Home page, it is the name of the main page of a website where visitors can find hyperlinks to other pages on the site. So home page, basically it is a place from where we can navigate to all the other pages which are available on that site. By default, the home page on all web servers is index.html. However, it can be even index.htm or index.php or whatever the developer decides. Generally, when we create a website, the name of a home page is generally it is index.html or index.htm or index.php. So name is index in general. And the reason is whenever we send a request to a particular website without the page address, the server automatically sends a page with a name index.html. Suppose I am connecting to the Facebook website, so it may have a home page. So while connecting to the Facebook website, I may send a URL like facebook.com. I may type facebook.com. In the URL facebook.com, there is no specific page specified, or we are not sending a request to a particular page, but we are sending a request to Facebook server. On the server side, upon receiving a request, the server sees that there is no specific request to a particular page. So in that case, what web server does, it simply sends a file back with the name index.html. So basically the home page has a name index.html. A typical website has a home page with menus like about, contact, product, services, press, news. These are the things which are included in the home page. So as I've said, home page is a place from where we can navigate to all the other pages which are available on the website. Okay, this is an example home page of Bhaurao Kakatkar College. You can see there are so many links which are available on the top, and using these hyperlinks you can navigate to all the other pages which are available on this website. So this website, it is of a BK College website, and from this particular home page we can navigate to all the other pages. So this is a home page of a website. Okay, there can be a browser home page as well. So what is a browser home page? Browser home page can be set from the browser setting. Means in a browser we can set a particular page as a home page. I can set a home page as Facebook's page, or I can set a home page as Google's page. depending on our requirement. Suppose I frequently visit a particular website like Facebook. So every time I open a browser, I need to type a URL facebook.com. So instead of doing that, what I can do is I can set the facebook.com as my home page, so that every time I open a browser and when I click on a home button, it automatically takes me to the facebook.com. So like that we can set a particular home page on the browser also. A browser home page is a default displayed when your browser opens when you first open the browser. When we open a browser, that is the default page which is displayed on your browser screen. It can be configured to display specific website in the browser preferences. We can configure it from browser preferences. For example, you may have to go Google as your browser's home to open a search. When you first open the browser, you may set a Google search page as the home page. Whenever you open a browser, the search page is displayed. Generally, that is the home page for most of the Google Chrome browsers. When you open a Google Chrome browser, automatically a Google screen is displayed from where you can search for anything. So even we can set a browser home page. Now let me show you how you can set a browser home page. I have a screenshot here which shows how a browser home page can be set. If you have a Google Chrome, you can go to settings in the Google Chrome, and from the settings you can click on appearance, and in appearance you have options like theme, then show home button. You have to click show home button, and in that you have to go to custom, or you can even select a new tab. It will open a new tab. If you want it to be a custom, you can select custom, and there you just type the URL which you want to open as your browser home page. I have entered the yahoo.com, so that the browser, whenever I click on the home button, automatically it opens me the yahoo.com. You can see the home button here. So this is the home button. Show home button will again show this home button here, and whenever you click on that button, it will open yahoo.com. Okay, let me do this. Let me open my browser and show it to you. Okay, we have to first open our browser. Say this is my browser, I have opened it, and then you have the three dots on the right hand side, that is customize and control your Google Chrome. Click on that, then go to settings. In the settings you will get appearance. When you click on appearance, you have two options here, or you can select the custom, where you can enter the URL like yahoo.com. So whenever I click on the home button, it will go to yahoo.com. Now one more thing here, suppose when you open a browser, when you start a browser by double clicking on it, at that time if you want to open a particular page, then for that what you have to do is you have to go to on startup. Click on startup, then there are different options available here. Open the new tab, then continue where you have left, then open specific page or set of pages. So select open specific page or set of pages. In there you can type the URL again. You can edit it from here. You can type a specific URL, like I have typed facebook.com. So when I double click on the browser, and when I start my browser, automatically Facebook page will open up. So this is how we can set a browser home page. So right now I don't have internet connection, otherwise I would have shown you the same for BK College. This is website home page. When I click on the home button, which you can see here, home button, this will go to home page. Right now no connection, then you can see a URL here, yahoo.com. It is going to yahoo.com. So like that we can set a browser home. Okay, this is about the home page. We have studied about a website homepage and a browser homepage. With this, we will stop here today. Thank you.